In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very quick tutorial on how to show desktop icons in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate at Day Start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Settings. Or either press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard. In that way, you'd be able to bring up the settings window. Now please wait until you can see a list of the options here at the settings before we continue. Once it's here, please navigate to the left pane and find for an option called the personalization. So click on it. And under the personalization settings, you'll see there themes, which has this brush icon. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you'd be able to see this kind of section. Please scroll down and navigate to the related settings. Sorry. So afterwards, you'll see this first option, which is desktop icon settings. Click on this forward arrow key here so that you can open a window which is called desktop icons. Once you are here, you need to close the settings, and here in this window, you need to navigate to the desktop icons. So in order to show the desktop icons in your latest Windows 11, just check the box here. Just identify those icons that you would like to show. If you would like to show the whole icons or all of the icons, you can check the box here, okay? Once you click on apply, you would be able to show that one here. Just have to click on OK. And there you have that. You have just successfully show the desktop icons here at your Windows 11. Okay. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.